Hello, doctor. Please help me. I am terrible at conversation. I see. And when did this problem first present itself? I want to shave your cat. I see. No, thank you. My ankles are swelling, and I cannot handle another harvest without pictures of rodents on bicycles. I would like you to get out of my doctor's office now, please. Fair enough, then. Neapolitan ice cream. Shh. Off. What? Is that the end of the sketch? He just dances to Britney Spears and that's it? I want my money back. But you haven't paid for anything. Then I'm going to go to the cartoonist's house and pay him a large sum of money. That way I will have earned the right to complain. This is the place. Hello, Mr. Cartoon Person. Here's $47. I would like to complain about your last sketch.
Complaints are down the hall.
Okay. Hello. I'd like to complain. You want to complain? Look at these shoes. I've only had them 3 weeks and the heels are worn right through. Sorry. Wrong sketch. Hello. I'd like to complain about an unsatisfactory punchline. Why, sure, y'all. Come on in. What can I do for y'all? I am still unsatisfied. If you or someone you know has been affected by this sketch and would like to complain, please follow the links below to donate a large sum of money. If payment is not met, you cannot leave a complaint in the comment section, and you can only say really nice things about me and my hair, and that's like totally the law and stuff, and if you don't comply, then Britney Spears will come around to your house and she'll kick your teeth in. That's the Britney guarantee, y'all!